So right away, I see the first thing I'm going to want to do is grind off these little notches. Like right there, see that little notch? So that this rests up snug against that board. I may want this piece here to be like on the bottom, because that might be part of how I decide to lock this thing in. I'm sort of creating this as I go. I think I need to go get my grinder and a little table for things to sit on, so I'll go do that. Okay, so it's roughly put together like that. Now keep in mind that the little hingy things, the little screws on top, they're not going to be permanent. They're just so that I could have it hanging, have a look at it, give some thought. What I might want to do is put a pin, a bolt through this part, like a grade 8 bolt that goes all the way through that in the wood, with the knot, with a locking nut on the back side. So if anybody tries to turn that bolt, they're gonna it's not gonna unscrew. Now keep in mind, I'm aware somebody can break the building down. Most people that are wanting to steal, though, I'm thinking they don't want to do a lot of work. They just want to grab it and go, because the longer they spend at a place, the greater the likelihood that they're going to get caught. So my job is just to make it as hard as I can for them. I'm actually thinking about putting that piece of chain link fence I got from Bobby inside of these walls, so if they decide to come through from the side, they're going to have to go through the chain link fence too. I may be saying a little more about my security measures than I should, but oh well. Oh well. So, there we go. Place to start. So the next thing I'm going to do is build some side pieces that come out here and go up this way and back over to here. So it's going to be a crookedy piece that runs like that. I've got this over here to work with, but I've also got another bit down in the woods here that I can